Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? To draw an owl, start by making a circle on the paper. And voila! It's the owl's head. To draw the eyes, draw 2 small circles. That was easy. Now draw 2 small circles on each side to come up with the eyes. It's looking good so far. Where's the beak? Draw the letter V between the eyes and done! Let's draw the belly. Just 2 curved lines. Now draw the ears and the feet. To color in the eyes? Great! You've just drawn a beautiful owl.